Finally, Nothing Phone 2 first official look is here. Margaret Brownlee of the YouTube channel MKBHD released a new video exclusively showing off the Nothing Phone 2, and more importantly, its new Glyph interface. In the video, the handset does have some notable differences with its look, like a new light gray color and transparent rear case that looks to have a slightly more rounded look when compared to the previous model. In addition, it will have a slightly revised design when it comes to the Glyph interface, breaking up the familiar lighting pattern into more sections. The Nothing Phone 1 made use of 12 individual LEDs, but the upcoming model will come in far above that amount with 33. A large portion of the LEDs will be housed in the upper right section of the circular lighting design, making use of 16 LEDs on its own, and will be able to offer visual progress for a variety of functions like indicating the volume level, countdown timers, Uber pickups, and more. This won't be a feature that will natively work with all apps, and developers will have to get on board if they want to take advantage. While extremely gimmicky, it could become a simple and effective way to visually see progress in different apps. Users will also be able to create custom visualizations and ringtones using the new Glyph Composer. Back in May, Carl Pei teased the camera performance of Nothing Phone 2. According to the CEO, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 of the device will allow the device to offer a serious camera upgrade, and from the samples, the case does appear to be true. While Nothing Phone 1 had impressive camera specs with a 50-megapixel primary and 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, its image processing fell short. However, Nothing Phone 2 shows improved image processing as evident from the camera samples. The images on the new device have a contrasty look and vibrant colors. Details appear sharp without being over-sharpened. Even the selfie shots look much better than the Nothing Phone 1. With just a week until launch, it's exciting to anticipate the important features the Phone 2 will offer. The company appears to rely on gimmicks, but the phone's pricing could be a crucial factor for its success in the US market. That's it for today. What do you think about Nothing Phone 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.